how to easily teach your dog to shake hands or give paw. Now, the prerequisite for this trick is learning how to sit. Once the dog knows how to sit, it's very easy then to teach him how to give his paw. We're going to do it in 3 simple steps. The first step is to show the dog a treat and get him interested in that treat. Next step is have him sit. Take that treat lifted upward, and with your other hand, encourage him to lift his paw. The third step, of course, is when the dog gives his paw, praise him, give him the cue that he was successful, and of course, give him that treat. So I'm going to demonstrate a couple of times here. This is a 5-month-old Australian Shepherd. This is my puppy Scout. So I'm going to show him the treat, ask for his paw, and once he's done it, of course, say the magic word. In our case, we're just using the word yes, and give him the treat, the reward. And of course, the key with any of these commands or tricks is repetition. The dog has to repeat the same process, 8, 9, 10 times before it gets kind of locked into their brain and they know it. What I do is just every morning and every evening when I come back from work, I run through all of his tricks, including sitting and giving his paw and laying down. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. We're going to have a variety of how-to videos on there. Thank you very much for watching.